The Daily Code Snippet. There are several examples of types of links. You may want to link to another website, in which case you'll use your absolute URL. You may want to link to other pages within a website. In this case, you would use a relative URL, and you may want to link to a specific part of a page. In this case, you would link to an attribute. And finally, you may have links that do specific things, like trigger your mail system to send an email. In this case, you would use the mail to : instead of http:// or https://. The S indicates that the website is protected by SSL, or Secure Sockets Layer, a protocol used to secure communications between a client and server and gives your visitors reassurance that their data will be protected. Presented by Designers Learn Code.